Imagine this, the marketing landscape is shifting, evolving at a pace that can leave you trailing behind. A sea of competition, a whirlwind of choices. In this ever-changing world, are you keeping up? Are you reaching your audience where they truly listen? In a world where engagement is the gold standard, missing out isn't an option. That's where the power of email and text marketing convergence comes into play. It's about merging two giants, email and text marketing, into a single powerhouse strategy that could reshape your marketing game. Think about the challenges: fragmented communication, lost messages in a sea of promotions, and the constant struggle to keep your brand consistent across platforms. It's enough to keep you up at night, isn't it? But hold on, what if I told you this fusion could lead to increased reach and engagement? Imagine effortlessly connecting with a broader audience, engaging them through the channels they love. That's what we call meeting your audience on their terms. And here's the kicker, the magical boost in response rates. It's like hitting the engagement jackpot. You're catering to different preferences, but it all converges to one fantastic outcome, an outstanding response rate that could skyrocket your success. Now, let's talk about the spellbinding power of improved personalization. By weaving together data from email and text, you get the golden ticket to craft personalized, laser-targeted messages. It's like having a one-on-one conversation with each customer, making them feel cherished and valued. Remember, in this battle, consistency is your armor. Achieving enhanced brand consistency ensures your brand resonates, whether it's through email or text. It's about embedding your brand's identity in every interaction. Have you ever embarked on a multi-channel customer journey? Picture it as your brand story, with email and text touchpoints seamlessly guiding your customers through a personalized journey. It's storytelling at its finest. Timing is everything, isn't it? With the right strategy, you could achieve better timing and frequency in your marketing. No more overwhelming your audience, just perfectly timed messages to keep them captivated. And the icing on the cake? Cost effectiveness. By merging these channels, you maximize your ROI. You're not just saving, you're optimizing your marketing budget for incredible results. Remember this word, insights. By uniting data from email and text, you're gaining a panoramic view. These insights empower better decisions and strategies, making your campaigns truly impactful. Now, let's focus on the holy grail, increased conversion rates. It's not just about grabbing attention, it's about guiding your audience through the buying journey. Conversions? You'll see them soar. Loyalty, the pinnacle of brand success. With the right approach, merging email and text can lead to customer retention and loyalty. It's about nurturing lasting relationships that keep customers coming back for more. And when you need to be quick and direct, there's quick and direct communication. Critical information? Texts are your ally, delivering your message swiftly and effectively. But here's the secret sauce, the ultimate solution that wraps all these benefits into one: constant contact. Constant contact is your marketing genie in a bottle. It's a game changer that harmonizes these phenomenal benefits. It offers a centralized platform to orchestrate your email and text marketing efforts for maximum impact. Picture having direct reach, personalized messaging, and insightful analytics, all at your fingertips. Constant Contact brings these elements together with an intuitive interface and AI-powered features that make crafting winning campaigns a breeze. Believe me, I've witnessed firsthand how Constant Contact can turbocharge your marketing efforts. It's the ultimate tool to drive more sales, attract clients, generate leads, and boost website traffic. It's the secret sauce you've been seeking. Are you ready to revolutionize your marketing game, to achieve your desired outcomes? Click the link in the description below to explore how Constant Contact can empower you. Don't miss out on this game changer. Your success story is just a click away.